Hi, this is N. John Sukumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Economics. National level workshop organized by ICERT, Darsh Model Degree College, Haryana. Workshop on Empowering Youth, Empowering India. Date 12th January 2022. Google Meet and YouTube platforms. Time from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. Invited all the faculty members, students and research scholars. E-certificate will be provided. No registration fee. Registration link in description. Subscribe my channel, ring the bell for latest updates. Like, share and comment.